What if I were to tell you that you can earn more than $40 an hour on Upwork with just your phone? In this video, I'll reveal the 9 best Upwork jobs you can do with just your phone that are always hiring. Number 1, voice actor for video games and animations. Have you ever wanted to be the voice of characters in cartoons, anime, or in video games? Voice acting is awesome because you get to perform and be an actor without being seen. And you can do it from home. You get to give your voice to characters in games and episodes. And you don't need to get a degree or go to school to do this. Job number 2, Audiobook Narrator. Right now, because of platforms like Audible, there's so much money going into the audiobook market, and so many authors and entrepreneurs need people to be audiobook narrators for their books, which means that there's a lot of demand right now for audiobook narration. So if you'd like to just read books aloud and record yourself doing it, this is an opportunity for you. And it's cool because it lets you immerse yourself into the story or into the material that's written, so you can choose to work with the types of authors or the types of books that you like. And you can do all that from the comfort of your own home. Job number 3, product photography. Product photography is everywhere. You probably never thought of it as a job, but you see product photography everywhere. If you go on Amazon, every product there, someone took a picture of it, and oftentimes these are professionally taken pictures, and they're taken by product photographers. Same thing if you look at advertising on billboards or on wallpapers in different malls, all these pictures of products have been taken by product photographers, and product photography is something you can do at home. If that sounds interesting to you, if you'd like to do something a little bit creative but not too much, product photography could be a real interesting career opportunity for you, and there's so much demand on Upwork for that. It's awesome. Number 4, mobile app testing. There's a lot of companies who have programmers who make apps for mobile phones, and they need people to test them to see if there are bugs on the application, to see if everything works correctly. And if that sounds interesting to you, if you just like to use applications to see how they work and try to see if there's problem in them, give your feedback, that could be a job for you. And it's awesome for people who like tech because sometimes you get to try apps before they even be released to the public. And so you get to see these cool pieces of technology early. Number 5, online community manager. These are the people who manage online communities and forums. These are people who get to answer comments, answer posts, people who try to keep the engagement and the discussions going on these platforms. You can be an online community manager for a Discord server, a Slack server, a Facebook group, or different communities on the internet. And if you're the type of person who spends a lot of time in online groups, online communities, why not get paid doing it? This could be a cool opportunity. Number 6, social media management. So many companies need help to manage their Facebook pages or pages on different social media. And so if you'd like to create posts for companies, answer comments, and do this sort of thing, there's a lot of demand for it. And if you get good at your job, you can get paid a lot of money doing it. What's cool about this job is it's a job that you can get paid per month and not per hour. And so if you're efficient, if you're fast, if you do things well, you can get paid by doing the work in very few hours per month, which means that you could have a lot of different clients that you could do this for and make a lot of money. And you also get to touch different aspects of marketing, such as looking at data, analyzing data, figuring out what your business is doing well and what could be done better on the social media page so that you could be more effective. So there's also the data side that's really interesting. And it can look awesome on your resume if you want to transition to more advanced marketing jobs in the future. It can be awesome as a job for a student in marketing, for example. Number 7, online tutoring or teaching. The online learning industry is getting really big. And it's no wonder because of how expensive college is nowadays. So many people just go online to learn the skills they need to get jobs. There's so many people looking for teachers online to learn different things, whether it's languages or business or different skills. people who want to learn Spanish, math, art, copywriting. There's so many things that people are trying to learn online. And as an online tutor, you can do one-on-one coaching and get paid for that. Or you can even get paid to do group coaching on Discord calls or that sort of thing. And you can also get paid to build online courses for different people. There's a lot of variety in the different types of jobs that you can have as an online tutor or teacher. You could also be paid to answer questions of people on online course platforms, for example. Number 8, customer support. This is one of the most important jobs for most companies. You get to help companies retain customers who want to get refunds or who want to quit using their services by offering them better deals, or you get to help customers themselves use different online applications when they're complicated. You know, sometimes there's chats on the web pages. Well, you might be the one who's answering the customers and helping them use the service properly. There's so many things you can do in customer support, and you can do them from home. If you're the type of person who really likes to solve problems and figure out solutions on the spot and likes to do a little bit of sales, but not too much, this can be a really good job for you. Number 9, virtual assistant. You get to help people stay organized and efficient. You get to handle all those small administrative tasks that maybe are repetitive or maybe are not the most lucrative for the person you're assisting, so they can spend their time doing bigger, harder, more important things. And you know what? There are many other good jobs that you can do with just your phone. I made another video where I share more jobs and I share how to get jobs on Upwork step by step as a phone-only user. There will be a link to that video in the description, or you can click right here to go watch that video right now. Thanks for watching, never give up on your dreams, and I'll see you in my next video.